If you notice a strong smell of gasoline in or around your car, it's something you should not ignore. Gasoline fumes are not only unpleasant, but can also be dangerous to your health and safety. Here are the most common reasons why your car might smell like gas, and what you can do to fix it. A fuel leak is one of the most serious reasons your car might smell like gasoline. Leaks can happen in the fuel line, fuel tank, or fuel injectors, and they allow gas to escape where it should not. Not only does this cause a strong smell, but it's also extremely dangerous because gasoline is highly flammable. If you suspect a fuel leak, stop driving right away and get your car checked by a mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring it can lead to fire hazards and serious damage to your vehicle. A loose, cracked, or missing gas cap is a simple but common reason your car might smell like gasoline. The gas cap seals the fuel system and prevents fuel vapors from escaping. If it's not tightened properly or is damaged, those vapors can leak out and cause a noticeable gas smell around your car. Spark plugs create the spark that ignites the fuel and air mixture in your engine. They are screwed into the engine tightly to keep everything sealed. But if a spark plug is loose or cracked, fuel fumes can leak out. These fumes might then enter the car's cabin through the air vents, causing a gas smell inside. It's a good idea to have your spark plugs checked if you notice this, especially if the smell gets stronger while the engine is running. Fuel injectors are small parts in your engine that spray the right amount of fuel into each cylinder. This fuel mixes with air, gets compressed, and then ignites to power the engine. If a fuel injector is leaking, clogged, or damaged, it can cause too much or too little fuel to enter the engine. This can lead to poor performance, fuel smells, or even engine problems. Overfilling your gas tank is another possible reason for a gasoline smell. This can lead to strong fuel odors around the car and may even trigger the check engine light. To avoid this, always stop pumping when the nozzle automatically shuts off the first time. It's safer for your car, the environment, and your wallet. An exhaust leak can cause your car to smell like gasoline, especially if the leak is near the engine or cabin. When there's a break or crack in the exhaust system, unburned fuel fumes can escape before being properly filtered, and may find their way into the vehicle's interior. This not only creates a strong fuel smell, but also poses a serious health risk. Being aware and acting early not only protects your health and safety, but also helps keep your car running efficiently.